Today's the day, guys. Today is the day. I am so excited. I'm here at Sergio's house, and we got the wrap, and what color is it? That's right. I got Avery Dennison Intense Blue. I am stoked. The car's gonna look absolutely amazing. Hey, Sergio. What do you think of the color?
Actually, I haven't even seen it in real life. So.
You haven't seen it?
You showed me it on the image, so. But I think
just peek in there. Peek in there. Show me what you think.
Peek in there?
Yeah. Oh!
I mean, it's blue. I can't see the green.
It's very blue. You like the green better?
I like the green compared to the other color that you showed me, which was what? Bro, where is the green at? This is not green, bro.
Wait, I didn't tell you I was getting green. What are you talking about?
This was the outer layer, bro, honestly.
No, that's the color.
But, oh shit, all right. I was expecting green, bro.
Do you not like it?
No, it looks pretty dope, dude.
No, you're just saying that.
I actually wanted the green, but it's all good.
You want me to do green?
I wanted to.
Well, let's do your car in green next.
All right. Nah.
Seriously.
Probably.
No, dude, your car looks really good in silver, though.
Yeah, I like the silver or maybe yellow.
Why don't we just get matching colors, man?
Dude, okay, shoot. I thought we were doing green all this time, like.
No, man.
But.
So we have a lot of prep to do. My car is super, super dirty. I mean, it's been sitting on the street under a bunch of trees, so I have a clay bar kit. Oh, gonna have to get that spider off too. I'm all set with that. But yeah, we're gonna be very cautious to avoid contamination. Contamination is when you get like hair or too much grease or dirt particles in between the wrap and the paint. So obviously we need to avoid that. So we're gonna clay bar the crap out of it, bring it inside the garage, shut the door a little bit, and yeah, let's do it. We're gonna have to get Sergio something, man, for this. I might get him like a gift card to ZZ Performance so he can get some parts for his car, for his channel.
So, white down isopropyl?
Yeah. Where's it at?
First of all, we should get this. We should like measure and see if like the width actually covers.
You can put it over. Hell yeah. Plenty. Plenty.
You got about.
Dude, we should throw, if we have a little bit left over, we should.
4 inches, 3 inches over here. How much do you have?
Oh, I got probably.
You got like 6
3.
inches. Oh, okay.
3 or 4. Oh, I'm way good.
Bet.
I'm way good. And right after that, just like lay it down so we don't get any shit under here.
It's a black choke probably.
Oh, you're right, it is. Yeah. What we're gonna do is take this off here. Oh no, we both gotta do it. We're both gonna pull. Ooh! Tack it down like right here. Right there. Here we go. Now let's walk it across. Shit. We'll get that out.
Cut out pause.
Look at those lines out. We're gonna pick it up at the corners.
Yeah, this thing is actually forgiving. Like,
Yeah. Pick up at the corners and do a 3D stretch. Okay. Come over. Okay.
Hold up. I need to untangle this bitch.
heat gun. Yeah. Right now, let's just lay it. Come back to me, an inch. Okay, go.
You're gonna start at the middle of this?
No, yeah, I want you to do like a 3D stretch again.
Okay.
As I heat this, I want you to keep a little bit of tension on it. Watch that. No, just look at it. We're getting all the little imperfections out right now. Okay. That line right there, it's gonna go bye-bye. I guess we'll come this side first. Where's my line? I lost it. Oh, it's back here. Uh-oh.
Yeah, this is our line right here.
Uh-oh. I fucked up. I went past the line.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to pull it. Do you want to pull it and I'll tack it down? This is the real way to do it. Like pull it up, get it, yank it.
Use your arm over here and just there you go. Help it.
Okay. Hold it right there. Pull it down a little bit so I can squeegee it. Okay. Keep it like that. Shit.
This is definitely like a 2-man, 3-man job bro, for sure.
Yeah, the guys who do one person at a time, like I don't know how they're doing that. Okay. There's our middle point. Hell yeah, that's a good pull right there. So it works off, there's little air channels. That's how it works. See how I'm going on like 2 different angles at the same time? I mean, we're popping color, dude. Yeah. That color's going to fucking pop. Alright guys, so here we are. Sergio's tackling the right side of the hood. It's gonna be your left, but it's, you know, if you're driving, it's the right side. We got the whole left side done. It looks really clean, man.
Hell yeah.
I'm just gonna show you guys here what the process looks like up close. Let me know if you need help. I can
Back. This is a lot easier though.
giving them an up close view, man.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is clean. It's like a mirror, dude. Look at that. This is nice. All right, guys. So the hood is on. We have the hood completely on. I made the cut. What we're gonna do, since we had so much excess, it's just because the 10 Gen Civic hoods, they're so wide that we actually had to go this way across like that. So we had to roll the film like that way. Anyway, we have all this leftover stuff, and I was like, dude, it'd be cool to wrap your spoiler. I was talking about we could wrap that Cobalt in the blue. I looked back here and I was like, you know what? We could absolutely just use it for this because this spoiler is pretty small. We have a little bit. We have like maybe an inch to 1.25 inches right here. Sergio has a little tool, a little plastic tool for tucking stuff in. So we're gonna take that wrap off the front, the excess that's on the windshield, and we are going to turn it around, put it on the spoiler.
Hell yeah, dude.
Ready?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it. I just need to find the point right here that I'm gonna cut along. This is all fucked up, but we'll fix that once we get there. Sweet. You wanna do this one? You want to show the boys your skills, man? So yeah, define your line first. We don't have a spray bottle, so this is what we're doing for isopropyl alcohol. I'm just going like this. Then we're going over here. Yeah, there's not much lighting in the garage, so I know you guys have noticed right now, and some of you might be cringing that the garage door is open. Keep in mind that we are definitely aware of that. Our plan of attack, and it seemed to have worked well for the hood, is our plan of attack is to wipe it down right before we lay. Obviously, it'd be ideal to close the garage door, but it just gets so dark in here. Dude, I remember when all the YouTube videos were like, back in 2007 and 8 were only like 360p. Like if you had someone film it, if you had like a video with 720p and you had a computer to run that back in like middle school, like that was the shit. So right now I'm finishing off the top of the right side of the spoiler. I'm going a little bit at a time. I'm just walking the line, you could say. I'm trying not to get too far ahead over here or over here, so I'm kind of getting it all in one fell swoop. I bet we can get that out. Corner is gonna cause a little bit of problems. We're a little short, honestly. Sure, you can see if they go away? Just this corner? Oh yeah, we can stretch them right out. All right. Yeah, brother. It's probably good. Honestly, I'm gonna let it cool down just a second, dude. Oh, I'm so excited, man. To just drive around in this shit and get people are gonna be staring, man. Like, honestly, I don't think a lot of it will be good attention either. I think a lot of it will be like fucking ricer. Today's the day the Civic gets a new life. It's getting like a really bougie tuxedo. Say it though.
Say it yourself.
Can you really see it?
What?
That I've gained some weight? I want to be dead honest. I know.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh! I'm offended, man. No, I'm just kidding.
A little bit, man. Oh shit, you're doing it all the way? I thought we were just doing
I don't have to do that. I just got lost in it, man. It's kind of fun. Shit, we're gonna have 3D stretching going on, bro. I'll pull and you can close it in. There you go. I've been using my finger and it works. It's been working pretty well. It's just manipulating it, dude. Cause like it's so malleable, man. We just gotta manipulate it. Alright guys, Here we go. We still have to tuck it in. We still have to heat it up and then tuck it in. That's so clean, man. Oh yeah, that fingernail. Putting the fingernail in there? Yeah. Tuck it right in there. So I wasn't filming because it was really tedious to wrap the spoiler in here without actually taking the spoiler itself off the car. I thought about it for a second, and then we went to go finish the hood, you know, to give us a break from that. And the hood came out pretty decent. Looks really good. Let's go see it in the light. You want to back it out? Clutch, brake, neutral, and ignition. It looks like a little rice mobile right now as it sits. That's cool, man. That looks so nice outside, dude. Now just picture the whole car like that. That's gonna be cool, man. Yeah, that's a nice color. It's a nice color. And now we are going to attempt a fender. We're both pretty burnt out. I mean, we've been definitely taking our sweet time today. And I mean, you can tell that a couple of noobs took their time because it does look really good. Anyway, we're gonna knock out this fender right here. All right, so right here we have everything tacked down. It looks really good. I think this is the best job we've done so far. And I did take the side marker out so we could really lay it in there in that little spot. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make the cuts, okay? And then we're gonna very carefully, we're gonna fold it in around the fender. So when I make my cut, I'm cutting with the blade against, obviously not like cutting through paint, but I'm cutting with the blade against the door, like in this instance, right? I'm cutting away the furthest away I can from the fender so that we have the maximum amount of wrap to wrap into the fender. Much better. Fresh blade. Oh yeah. Lift it up. I'm trying not to even touch the tape, dude. Like, that's how careful I'm trying to be. I'm just letting the blade, the power of the blade, man, do it. Okay. Hey man, we are gonna have to pull this bumper, just pop it out right here. Because you can't fit anything in here. I can't even put my fingernail in there, man. It's like tight. You know what I'm saying? The bumper's super easy though, like, let me do some more cutting. Let's try to fold this over, see what we can do. Oh, that's perfect. I'm making the final cut in here, man. Alright, good.
Well, these are tucked, we're just waiting on...
They're tucked and fucked?
Tucked and fucked, yeah.
I might have left too much, dude.
Well, it's slack?
Yeah, I may have left too much. I say I cut even more and then we just roll whatever we have up.
I say you just fucking tuck it and then you can always cut the excess off at the end.
Yeah, but it's gonna be hard to cut like that. I'd rather cut like this and then
like this?
I'm just gonna cut like, dude, another 1/8 of an inch. Right, hold on. I say tomorrow
we focus on...
Pop those up, pop these out. We'll see what we can do about that. Alright, man. It's getting a little dark. Do you want... I can use my phone for a flashlight. And I can just resume filming after.